Hi, my name is Christy from the Circuit Breakers, and today we'll be talking about CAD. So, what we'll be discussing is the definition of CAD, different features of Fusion 360, and the process of making a 3D diagram. So, what is CAD? CAD, also known as computer-aided design, is the use of computers to aid the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. Fusion 360, a tool for 3D CAD, CAM, and K. So, Fusion 360 is a software used to make 3D diagrams, or 2D, just CAD in general. And the two main things you can really do on there is sketching and direct modeling. That's what you'll do for a CAD diagram. If you want to make an animation, it's a whole different topic. So, you can sketch on a 2D or 3D, 3D way, and the whole thing is on XYZ plane. That is if you're doing it from scratch and it's completely a new original design. Direct modeling, however, is going from an off-source website or source or anywhere and uploading those files to Fusion and editing of those files. So Fusion 360, the features inside are the modify feature right here, and it's like a double check measure if you want to just modify anything last minute after you finish, and you can right click. The assemble, which is pretty self-explanatory. You just join the objects together and just putting them together. And the construct, which is where you'll really start off, even whether you're doing sketching or direct modeling. That's where all the plane choices, the axes, and the points, that's where all of that is located. So making a 3D drawing. So this is how Fusion will look when you first open it on a Mac computer. I assume it'll look the same on Windows or any other software. Minus this was a screenshot was taken during a project, and everything else, however, is how it should look like. So direct modeling, the steps of direct modeling, is you download it from your website or the source, you upload the file into Fusion, and then you edit the uploaded file. So this is my direct modeling demonstration. Bear with me. So first you open the little waffle right there, and you make sure you're in the right folder. After you do that, you are going to go to the website. I'm using the Andy Mark website in this case. You can get it from anywhere, it doesn't matter. And you scroll down and you find your files. So I'm using the tile runner HD mechanism stack right now. And you download it, wait for it to download. So for some Mac has a thing where it says like it's an unsafe file, you press keep and it works. Wait for it to download. Skip a little. So now you go back to Fusion and you click the upload button. Select the files. There. You upload. So it usually takes a couple minutes. You can see the status through that thing right there. Just give it a couple minutes. I'm going to skip through this part. So after it's all uploaded and ready, you double click on it, make sure it's in the right folder, and I'll take a little while to load. And there you have it. That's your file that you uploaded. You can use this little cube right here to check what you're looking at. And that is how you would upload the file for direct modeling. I can start editing it from here. So next, always remember to save. There's been many instances where I haven't saved and I've lost a lot of precious work that I've put my time and effort on. And yeah, that is the end of the presentation.